Hey coffee lovers, I'm Erica. Welcome to Rick's Review Hub. If you're dreaming of cafe-quality espresso at home, stick around because today we're diving into the Breville Barista Express espresso machine. This all-in-one beast could be your ticket to barista-level coffee without leaving your kitchen. Let's break it down and see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. First, let's talk features. The Breville Barista Express is a semi-automatic espresso machine with a built-in conical burr grinder, so you can go from whole beans to a perfect shot in under a minute. It's got a 15-bar pump for that rich, creamy espresso and a 67-ounce water tank, which means less refilling. The steam wand lets you froth milk for lattes and cappuccinos, and the precise temperature control keeps every shot consistent. You also get a dose control grinding system so you can dial in the exact amount of coffee for single or double shots. Plus, it comes with a stainless steel portafilter, tamp, and cleaning tools. Everything you need to start pulling shots like a pro. Now, what's great about this machine? The integrated grinder is a game changer. It's fast, adjustable, and saves counter space. The build quality is solid, with a sleek stainless steel design that looks awesome in any kitchen. Customers rave about how easy it is to make cappuccinos and how the espresso tastes rich and full-bodied. It's perfect for beginners who want to learn espresso making without needing a PhD in coffee. And at its price point, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck compared to separate grinders and machines. But no product's perfect, right? Some users say the learning curve can be steep if you're new to espresso. It takes practice to get the grind and tamp just right. The steam wand works well, but it's not as powerful as higher-end models, so frothing can be a bit slow. Also, the grinder can get messy if you're not careful, leaving coffee grounds on your counter. Maintenance is key too. You'll need to clean it regularly to keep it running smoothly. So, who's this for? If you're serious about coffee and want a machine that balances quality, convenience, and affordability, the Breville Barista Express is a fantastic pick. It's ideal for home baristas who want to experiment without breaking the bank. The pros far outweigh the cons for most users, especially if you're upgrading from a basic coffee maker or mocha pot. Oh, and a quick tip. For the best pricing and any special promotions, check out the link in the description from Rick's Review Hub. It's the easiest way to snag a deal on this machine. All right, let's wrap this up. If you're ready to level up your coffee game, I highly recommend giving the Breville Barista Express a shot. It's a solid investment for delicious espresso at home. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this review helpful, please like, share, or subscribe to Rick's Review Hub for more honest reviews. Don't forget to click the link in the description for the best deal on the Barista Express. Drop a comment below with your coffee tips, and I'll see you in the next video.